Say hi, camera. Hi, camera. Hi, guys. So today we're filming, and we're going to like a local hope place, and we're gonna get some hope stuff. And yeah, then we're gonna go see if the salmon are in. Let's get some hope swag. Hi guys, welcome to Emery's show. What we bought from today. So, we got a book. I don't really know.
I got this book. It's all about sourdough, and it actually comes with a free sourdough starter in the back, which the gal said she's used and it's actually good, but it has all these different recipes for sourdough.
Okay, next thing is we got this back scratcher because my back has been itching. Next thing, some cards, plain cards.
Imagine if they're Alaska,
And then I got these for me.
Raw honey sticks, a pocket knife that he's going to use perfectly, right? To not cut yourself.
That was at the park. I also got this. There's just some, here, let's open it up, y'all. Oh, nice.
Ooh, it looks like gold.
And then the last thing is, wait, where is it? I also got some chapstick. If you ever been to Alaska or anywhere or any place any state that has mosquitoes, how many bug bites do you think you've gotten?
How many have you gotten so far?
Let's see. 1, 2. I think only 2.
Okay, you see any fish?
Nah, broski. I'm feeling broski.
All right, I think it's day 5 or 6 here, and the rain has started and has not stopped. It's been raining since like 2 this morning. It's supposed to rain all day today, all day tomorrow. We fly out tomorrow night, and then I guess there's some storms in Vegas. Jess said it was just crazy at work yesterday and today, so yeah, we're living life, man.
Okay, 3. Wait. Oh my gosh. My my eyebrows are crazy. Wow. Wow.
So if you watch either of our last 2 vlogs that we posted of our time in Alaska, then you probably saw us working on a playhouse. Grandma Chair had this idea to build this really whimsical, like magical looking playhouse for the kids. We got to help from start to finish. Definitely a lot of fun. The kids had a blast, and I made a little short that we put on Instagram of the build from start to finish. So I'm gonna show that right here. Emery just poked herself in the eyeball, so that's why she's tearing up. She's not tearing up because we're leaving Alaska. Or are you?
No.
We are gonna miss the fam and if some of the friends that we saw, but it's been a awesome trip.
E as an excellent,
it's
your
us
T for flight
to board.
220 with service into